Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down box by pulling the values from another sheet or somewhere else on the sheet. So over here we have a sheet of plays, the line, but the player is blank. So we want to put a drop-down here where we can select the player from a drop-down box. Down here I have another sheet with the names of all the players, all the different characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this column. On the Data tab, under Data Tools, I'm going to go to Data Validation. I'm going to change Allow Any Value to List. And then in the source, I'm just going to put my cursor in there. I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to select all of these rows. Tell it OK. There we go. And now it is the East and Juliet is the sun. I know that's Romeo. I should just be able to type an R. Jump right to the R's. Romeo. To be or not to be, that's Hamlet. Type H. Go straight to Hamlet. St. Crispin Day speech, that's Henry V. Henry V. There we go. That's all there is to it.